This podcast is sponsored by buybiz.io. Discover premium AI-driven online businesses for sale, perfect for standalone growth or seamless integration. Explore now at buybiz.io to kickstart your digital success.
How economic shifts influence business valuation dynamics, featuring AI business opportunities. Explore how economic trends shape business valuations today and discover AI-based businesses for sale with Archieboy Holdings. Understanding business valuation dynamics in today's economy. Hey, have you ever wondered what really goes into determining the value of a business, especially when the economy is all over the place? I mean, when markets fluctuate like they do now, how do people figure out what a company's worth? Let me break down some of the interesting dynamics of business valuation in the current economic climate. And trust me, it's more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. First off, business valuation is basically the process of figuring out what a company would sell for if someone wanted to buy it. But here's the twist. This value changes based on the broader economic environment. Things like inflation rates, interest rates, and overall economic growth play huge roles. When the economy is strong, businesses tend to be valued higher because buyers expect better future profits. When things slow down, well, valuations often take a hit. Key factors influencing valuation in any economy. Revenue and profit trends. This one's classic. Buyers want to see consistent and growing income. If profits have been steady or rising, that's a green flag. Market conditions. If the industry is booming, demand for businesses in that space also rises. Conversely, if the entire sector is struggling, valuations dip. Encourage happy customers to share their experiences. Common ISBN mistakes and how to avoid them. Here's a cool insight. For tech businesses, especially AI-based companies, the valuation isn't solely based on current profits, but also on potential and intellectual property. That's why you've seen some of those companies valued sky high, even if they aren't yet super profitable. What about AI companies and the new market trends? Speaking of AI, I've been checking out this interesting portfolio called Archieboy Holdings AI-based businesses for sale. These businesses tap into the AI tech wave and come with tons of potential. The valuations here are a blend of solid tech assets, growth potential, and current market excitement around AI innovations. But because AI is still evolving rapidly, investors also weigh in the risks, like swift tech changes that might render a solution obsolete overnight. By the way, if you're curious about AI businesses or other companies to buy, you should explore Archieboy Holdings and other listings today. It's a neat way to get a feel for what businesses are out there and how they're priced in today's market. Higher engagement. Social media algorithms favor video content, often resulting in greater visibility. Intangible assets. Matter. Brands, customer loyalty, and proprietary technology weigh heavily, especially in uncertain economies when future earnings are hard to predict. Cash flow is king. At the end of the day, businesses that can generate steady cash flow tend to survive economic shifts better, which buyers love. Economic cycles are your friend and foe. Buying a business during a downturn might get you a bargain, but also carries the risk of prolonged recovery. So, when you combine all these pieces, business valuation becomes a balancing act. It's a mix of looking backward at the company's performance, forward to what the economy and industry might do, and factoring in all the risks and opportunities. Not to mention buyer sentiment. Sometimes confidence or fear can swing valuations dramatically. All in all, whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or just curious about the economy, understanding these valuation dynamics gives you a much better grasp of what's really happening behind those price tags. And hey, if AI-powered businesses or other companies pique your interest, remember to check out Archieboy Holdings' AI-based businesses for sale and other amazing opportunities. Exploring the listings could spark some ideas or lead you to a future investment you hadn't considered before. Alright, that's my little explainer for the day. Business valuation may sound technical, but when you see it in the context of the economy and emerging markets like AI, it's pretty fascinating. Thanks for hanging out and chatting about it.